Hello, Purple Finch students. Hello, and how are you? I hope you are all having a great day. We are going to continue our lesson on the butterfly. In our last video, we talked about the butterfly, which is an insect. We talked about different kinds of butterflies. We learned that moths are very similar to butterflies, except butterflies we see during the day and moths we see at night. Butterflies have have a thinner body, have a thinner abdomen and thorax, while a moth has a very thick, fuzzy body to keep it warm during the nighttime. We also learned that butterflies have very delicate wings made up of many, many scales, and some butterflies have sometimes black spots, or they're black all over, and that's to attract and absorb the heat. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about the transformation of the butterfly. How does a butterfly go from egg, caterpillar to a butterfly? And we're going to talk a little bit more about that with our book by reading our book called Butterfly Magic. Why is it called Butterfly Magic? Is it really magic, or does this happen in real life? It happens in real life. But it's almost like magic how something can transform from caterpillar to a butterfly. These two are very different, but they're actually the same. They begin the same and end as a butterfly. So we're going to read our book called Butterfly Magic. Look, a butterfly. A butterfly is an insect. A butterfly is beautiful. It has colorful wings. But when a butterfly is young, it looks very different. Before we see the caterpillar, first, when a butterfly is ready to lay its eggs, she carefully chooses a leaf. She carefully chooses a plant. Then she picks a leaf, and it has to be the perfect leaf. It can't be a leaf with holes in it or that looks very weak. So she picks the perfect leaf to lay her eggs. She can lay up to 300 eggs. When the eggs hatch, the larva of the caterpillar breaks out of its eggs using its jaws. So here's the larva. It's not quite a caterpillar yet. It's very tiny. And it hatches out of its eggs using its strong jaws. And for energy, it eats its own eggshell. So, when a butterfly hatches from its tiny egg, it is a larva or a caterpillar. When we say larva, we're talking again about the tiny, tiny caterpillars before they grow. A caterpillar grows to be a beautiful butterfly. A caterpillar, after the eggs hatch, the larva comes out. Then it eats, and turns into a caterpillar. A caterpillar has many legs. It creeps and crawls among the leaves. Do you see its many, many legs? Munch, munch, munch. A caterpillar eats leaves. It eats and eats. A caterpillar grows quickly. Caterpillars need to eat a lot of food to have the energy to transform into a butterfly. The caterpillar gets bigger and bigger. It grows too big for its skin. soon the caterpillar will stop eating and become perfectly still. The molting is about to begin. He makes one final skin. So caterpillars shed their skin. Each time they grow, they'll leave it behind. The caterpillar makes one final skin. The skin is hard. It is like a shell. It is called a chrysalis. So you see here, the caterpillar finds a twig, hangs upside down, and it starts to form its final skin called a chrysalis. Can you say chrysalis? This is a silkworm's chrysalis. Here is a butterfly chrysalis hanging from a leaf. Some chrysalises are very big, some are small, some are brown, some are white, and some have green. The skin is hard. It is like a shell. Whew, making a shell is hard work. Now the caterpillar rests inside the shell. While the caterpillar rests, something special happens. The caterpillar's body is changing in the shell. It's changing into a butterfly. So here, let's look at the chrysalis when it first started. What color was it? Green. But now the caterpillar is growing and growing. Now it's not green anymore. Do you see what is growing inside? Crack! The shell splits open. Look! The caterpillar has turned into a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly moves its wings. Then up, up flies the butterfly. Away it goes. The end. So let's take a closer look at our rug. And let's look at the life cycle of a butterfly. First, the butterfly lays eggs on a very special leaf. Can this leaf have holes? No. It has to be sturdy to hold all those eggs. So first, the butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. Then, larva hatches from its eggs. The larva will grow into a caterpillar. The caterpillar will eat until it cannot eat or grow anymore. Then it will shed its skin one last time and form a chrysalis. A chrysalis is a hard shell that covers the caterpillar's body. Inside the chrysalis is where the caterpillar will start to transform into a butterfly. When the butterfly is done forming inside the chrysalis, it will crack and out will come a butterfly. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. This is the life cycle of a butterfly. Now, before I end our video, I wanted to share with you this caterpillar to butterfly journal observation book. And what we're going to do is we're going to observe the caterpillars that I purchased that are at my house. And we're going to watch them transform into butterflies. Every day I will post a picture and a little short video of the caterpillars in the cup. Right now the caterpillars are, when the cup arrived to my house 2 days ago, the caterpillars were not big. They were very tiny larvae like this. Now the caterpillars are beginning to grow and they're eating the food in the cup. So every day I'm going to upload a short video and some pictures. And I would like you to start I would like you to keep a journal each day of what you see, what stage they're in, if you notice that they're changing, if they're molting or shedding. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video or the pictures, and you're going to draw what you see. Do you see caterpillars? Are they hanging upside down? Are they still eating or walking around? Then you or your parent can write down what you saw. Today the caterpillars were eating. Or you can tell me the caterpillars were forming a chrysalis. Every day you're going to look at Seesaw and you're going to draw your own picture of what you see. And we're going to watch these caterpillars transform into a butterfly. How awesome is that? All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the life cycle of the butterfly, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.